Dive into the phrase, splash. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be exploring a vibrant and colorful English phrase, splash. This word is more than just a drop in the water. It's versatile and dynamic. Let's dive right in. The word, splash, initially brings to mind the image of liquid scattering or spreading out suddenly. Picture this: you throw a stone into a pond and the water splashes out, or you accidentally drop your cup of water and the liquid splashes all over the floor. Example: the kids love to splash in puddles after the rain. Beyond just water, splash can be used as a verb to describe the act of spreading or scattering something in a casual or careless manner. Example: she decided to splash some paint on the canvas, creating a modern art masterpiece. English is full of idiomatic expressions, and splash finds its place in a few of them. Here are some examples. 1. Make a splash. This means to become suddenly very successful or to get a lot of attention. 2. Example: the new band made a huge splash in the music industry with their debut album. 3. Splash out. To spend a lot of money on buying things, especially on things that are pleasant to have but that you do not need. 4. Example: for her birthday, she decided to splash out on a luxurious spa day. The word, splash, can also be used as a noun or adjective to describe something noticeable because it's different in some way. Example 1, noun: the red dress added a splash of color to the otherwise monochromatic room. Example 2, adjective: she wore a splash pattern scarf that really caught everyone's attention. Splash is not just a simple drop. It's a ripple of meanings and uses in the English language. From water droplets to success stories, this word has made a real, splash. We hope you found this dive into the word both enlightening and fun. Until next time, keep splashing with your English learning journey.